The undercut has become a staple in TIGI Collections over the years and is essential to the Classics to Creative project. It's a strong style that androgynous and fearless, but also very adaptable and can easily be tweaked to suit the individual, depending on texture and length variation. The shorter underneath section can be cut close for a stronger contrast or can be left slightly longer for a softer feeling. The length throughout the top section is left disconnected from the underneath, and the weight is layered through for a visual blend, giving maximum versatility to this salon viable classic.
Apply TIGI Copyright Heat Protection Spray, followed by Copyright Color Luster Oil as cutting lotions. Take a horseshoe section at the high point of the recession area, dipping slightly lower at the back between the crown and the occipital bone. Starting at the side, work with slight diagonal back sections. Comb and elevate the hair to 90 degrees to the head, and using a razor, cut square to the head shape. Continue with the same technique towards the back and work consistently until the opposite corner of the hairline at the nape is reached. Behind the ear, continue with diagonal back sections and maintain a consistent angle. Comb and elevate each section 90 degrees and razor squarely to the head shape. Note the hand and body position and repeat the same technique on the other side. Blow dry the area underneath the horseshoe. Detail with deep parallel point cutting horizontally in the comb to remove any excess weight. Personalize the hairline with freehand point cutting. Release the top and take a center parting, followed by a horseshoe section from below the crown. Comb the hair to its natural fall and razor cut to the desired length, parallel to the parting at a 45-degree elevation at the back. To maintain strength within the line from the ear forward, slightly lower the elevation as you work toward the face. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Comb all remaining hair at the top down from the center parting at a natural fall. At a stationary elevation, continue following the guide from below, slightly over-directing the fringe area to maintain length in the front. Next, take a central vertical section from just below the crown to the forehead. Comb and elevate the hair 90 degrees to the top of the head and razor cut the layering guide, increasing in length to the front hairline. Continue working with vertical sections to the top of the head. Overdirect all sections to the center and cut following the guide from short to long toward the face. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Blow dry the hair smooth using a TIGI small paddle brush. Detail the shape by removing weight and creating movement by deep parallel point cutting and slicing. Apply TIGI Copyright Texture Putty to give separation, and control the shape using a TIGI small paddle brush.